Hello friends, you are watching DevTech Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Gambas 3 like Visual Basic in Linux. So first open your terminal and type sudo add app repository ppa gambas team gambas 3. Then type your password. Press enter. Then type sudo apt-get install gambas 3. If you face any problem while installing Gambas 3, you can comment below. We will try to solve it. So let's open Gambas 3. So this is our Gambas 3. Just minimize it. If this is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.